Okay, good morning everyone. Today I'll discuss about the cells. Before starting the cells, we have to know what is the cells. Cell is the structure and function unit of life. The first discoverers of cells was Robert Wood, an English scientist observed a thin slide on the hook under the microscope in 1665. He described the small space surrounded by the wall and named them the cells. Later, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus of the cells. Yeah, this is the diagram of the cells. You can see here the nucleus plasms, nucleus, nuclear pore, nuclear envelope. These are combined with the nucleus. You can see the mitochondria. This is the mitochondria. The whole, you can see this is the cell membrane covered by the cells is covered by the cell membranes. The definitions of the cells is a cell is the smallest unit of the living body. Cells which are often called the building block of the life. The study of cell is called as cells biology or cellular biology. Cells consist of cytoplasm enclosed within a membrane which are containing many biomolecules such as protein and nucleic acids. Main functions of the cells are it provide structure and supports facilitate growth and through the meiosis allow the passive and active transportation. It produces the energy, created metabolism reaction, and it aided in reproductions. Cells are divided into type. One is the eukaryotes and prokaryotes. In eukaryotes are the cells which are containing the nucleus in the containing the nucleus. You can see the picture here. You can see the nucleus is here and covering by the containings of the mitochondria, nucleus, endoplasms, and ribosome. Eukaryotes are yeah, sometimes it is a single, multiple, and a single either singles or multiple cells are there. In a prokaryote, the nucleus are not present in here, and the cells nucleus are the you can see the nucleus, cytoplasm, flagella, one cell membranes, and it is the single cellular. In the organization of cells has two measures in the nucleus and the python. The nucleus are separate from the cytoplasm. The nuclear membrane and cytoplasm is separated from surrounding fluid by the cell membrane are called the plasma membrane. The basic constitutions of cytoplasms are water, iron, and proteins. Water are contained 70 to 80% in our presence of the fluid flat cells, and irons are present in the potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, sulfur, bicarbonate, and small quantities of bicarbonate and calcium. Protein are the fluid which are present in our cells, which are around 70 to 80% of cell mass. These are divided into two types, structure and proteins. Endoplasm are divided into two types, and one is the granular endoplasmic, and one is the smooth granular. And endometrium, they are the subunit units of aggregation. They are just as the ribosomes are composed of RNA and proteins. They are function product of new protein in the cells in granulars, and in smooth they are formed. They will produce a new lipid substance. Lysosomes which are nothing that is the intracellular in digestive system and allow the cells to the digest, damaging cellular energy. Food particle they have digested by the cells. Unwanted materials such as bacteria. The lysosomes are usually 250 to 750 nanometers in the diameter. It surrounded by the lipid and bilayer membranes and which are filled a large number of small globules 5 to 8 nanometer. Mitochondria is the house of the cells. It composed of two lipid bilipid protein membrane, the inner and outer membrane. Most of the inner membrane is cells of which are oxidative enzyme energy are attached. The inner cavity is filled with the matrix and which energy from the releasing of energy is known as the synthesis of high energy substance are called ATP. ATP full form is adenylyl triphosphate. Nucleus is the containing a large quantity of the DNA, which is the genes. The genes are determined by the character of the cell's protein, including structure protein, as well as the intracellular enzymes. They determine the cytoplasm and nucleus activity. The genes are the control of the rate of reproductive of the cells. The membrane are covering the nucleus and nucleus membrane are known as the nuclear envelope. Nuclei are informations of ribosomes. The nucleus are the most containing one of the most sustaining structure called nuclear. It is the simple and accumulated large amount of RNA and protein for the type of are found. Thank you.